Okay. Now I will show how to install rear camera and transmitter and how to find the tail light wire. Now first open the trunk. Pull off the plastic clip. Yeah. Now install the rear camera by paste or screws. Yeah, screws. And then screw off the license plate light. And put the line into and put the line out. Yeah. Screw up the lines plate. Yeah. Screw up. Yeah. Now I will show how to put the transmitter. Yeah. Now first put the transmitter back on this place. Yeah, this place. Yeah, this place. And pull out the line. Now I will show you how to find the tail light wire. First, we already engaged the reverse gear, so the light is on. You can see, light is on. Now I will show how to find the tail light wire. Use the test pen. If the light on, then that is yeah, light is on. Yeah, that is means this is the tail light wire. Then I will use the splice connect. Yeah, use the splice connect. Yeah, bite the wire. Yeah, and the black wire and yeah. So one is positive and one is a negative wire. Then connect the rear camera to the transmitter. And connect the transmitter another end. The black wire to the negative wire and the red wire to the positive wire. That's okay.